Oh, I love it here in Hong Kong. I've had such a fantastic time. Oh, the maker phone's ringing. Excuse me. Oh, it's Toki.
Ah! It's Minute Make Time in South Africa.
Thanks, Toki. I'm on my way. Oh, here we go. It's Minute Make Time! Let's see what we're going to make today. Let's have a look. Oh, hello. Let's have a look over here. I've spotted it, my friends. Look at this. The rarest of all creatures, the plastic spoon creature. And we can make one of those by using these arty things. Let's have a look. 2 plastic spoons. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pipe cleaners, some stickers, and a pen. Now, do you think it's possible to make this plastic spoon creature in just 1 minute?
No way!
Well, I think I can. I'm going to have to be very quick. But don't worry, I'll remind you how to do it at the end. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Good, good. But are you ready? Fantastic. Let's make it in a minute.
3, 2, 1!
Start the clock! Right, the first thing we're going to do is put our 2 spoons together like that, so the spoons are facing away from each other, and then we're going to use a pipe cleaner to fix them together like that. So we just wrap it round. That's looking good. And now we get another pipe cleaner and we're going to make some legs like this. We just wind them round and then bend them into leg shapes. Okay, there's 2 legs. We've got 2 pipe cleaners left. There's some more legs. There we go. Now, our plastic spoon creature is going to have 6 legs. There we go, very wiggly legs like that. That's it, bend them into shape. And now we're going to get some stickers and we're going to draw some dots in the middle like this to make the pupils of the eyes. There we go, and now we can stick these stickers on to the front of our plastic spoon creature. There's 1. We've just about got enough time to stick this on. There we go. We've made a plastic spoon creature. Phew, I did it just in time. But if you have got more than a minute, you could try all sorts of ideas.
How about a multicoloured spoon creature made with spotty stickers and a curly pipe cleaner tongue? Or what about this fabulous orange scorpion with a fork for a tail? Or you could even try a baby spoon creature with beads for eyes on pipe cleaner stalks. Ow.
Why don't you try and make it in a minute? Here's a reminder of how to do it.
Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Twist a pipe cleaner around 2 plastic spoons like this. Twist 3 more pipe cleaners around the spoons to make legs. Add 2 white stickers with black dots for eyes. And your plastic spoon creature is finished.
Why don't you try and make it in a minute? Thank you so much, everyone, for being part of another marvellous Minute Make!
Make it, Mr. Maker! Mr. Maker!